Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk about the new update on TikTok Live, which is 9 boxes that allows you to invite up to 8 other people on your TikTok Live and go live together with them. This update is very cool to use, but unfortunately not all users on TikTok has this update. Now, the reason behind this is simply because this is actually a new update, and TikTok is still trying to get this update across to all users on TikTok. So it's not yet available for all users and for all countries. But if you want to get this update as soon as possible, all you have to do is to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So you have to head to Play Store or the App Store and ensure that your TikTok application is updated. Once your TikTok application is updated, guys, hopefully you're going to get this update as soon as possible. So guys, this is why you don't have this update on your TikTok application. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.